Artconsulting is where the possibilities are truly limitless. This is the premier division of FrameWoks. Here, we cherish every step of the journey, from the initial spark of creative ideation to the final delivery and installation. There's something profoundly satisfying about witnessing the art come to life during installation, a full circle moment that fills us with pride. While the time between project completion and installation can sometimes stretch into months or even years, the reward of seeing where the art ends up is always worth the wait. It's one of the most fulfilling moments for us. You may recognize this artwork from a couple months ago, where we printed stunning artwork onto wooden panels. We then sealed the prints with a glimmering resin coat, ensuring a stunning lifelong shine. These panels have found their home aboard a cruise ship, beautifully embellishing a simple hallway and transforming it into a walk-through gallery. It's moments like these that remind us why we do what we do, bringing art to life in ways that elevate spaces and leave lasting impressions. At lsartconsulting, we're always excited for what's next, and we look forward to creating more unforgettable experiences. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay inspired, stay limitless. Goodbye.